American, this American boy, American boy. I got pretty like a girl, and he got nice voice.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Rashawna here, and today we are going to be waxing my hair. Well, not waxing my hair, actually color waxing it. I am actually using purple wax today. It's this thing here, this thing. Yeah, this thing right here. So yes, the braids are off. We only had them on for what, 3 weeks. They were crusty, rusty, and dusty. I will insert the clip so you guys can see.
This is Chuck. Yeah, we're all set here. How you guys coming along? Just talking to the phone company so that when the call comes through, we can triangulate with the cell towers, figure out exactly where the call came from.
Yeah, so basically I washed my hair. I took it off yesterday. I took the braids off yesterday. They were crusty, dusty, and rusty, and they needed to come off. My hair walks out, so anytime I have on braids, I don't have them in too long. I usually go 4 weeks, but they needed to come off, honestly. So right now we're dealing with damp hair. I'm not too sure how you just do this. Why did I choose purple? Well, because I like purple. But let me read the thing before I go and mess up my hair. Apply generous amount of wax onto section wet or damp hair evenly. You start from roots to the tips. Oh, that's all. Avoid contact with eyes if there any contact. Rinse with water immediately. Keep away from children. Well, I'm a child, so alright. It says the sectioning out, so that's basically what I can do. But do I want it all over my hair, or do I want to put the ends? Alright, in part my hair in half. We can do half. We can do the middle part. No, I do have coconut curling cream, but I don't know if I put it in before or after. I should put it in before because it would work as like an agent. I don't know. I just got. Alright, look. We're gonna put like a little bit. We're gonna put a little bit, just so that my hair could be moisturized. Wait, it got rinse as well after I put it in. So you just put it. I just had to make sure so that I don't go and, you know, mess up my hair. So my last video, I did film a last video for last week, but I ended up having a mental breakdown. I'm gonna wash up my hand and come back. Alright guys. Whoa. So this is how it looks. I got purple here. Whoa. So what you can do now is style it. And we can see how cute it is. So you're back in your hot seat. So now you can style it. I use a pretty good portion. Alright. So what we can do now is, should have put this on when I first started, you know what I mean? So I'm putting it on after, which makes absolutely no sense, but it is what it is. So I can style it now. And see how it looks. Alright, just to say no. What I can do now is style it. I don't know how I can style it, but I can style it. So I have my eco styler right here. So now we can style the hair and we can see how everything comes together. It looks so cute. Alright. Got my brush. Comb. Tattoo. Makeup. Alright. So, oh my gosh, I got purple. The wall dirty? We can ignore that. Alright. So he come on with my video. Yes! Okay. Just walk in my video. Do not come here. Anyways, so this is the final look. We got purple here, and I want to go and see how it look in the sun. Who cute? Who cute? Who cute? Who cute?
Not you.
But cute. Guys, look at my hair. I'm feeling it. I love it. You know, your girl can't do edges, so whatever getting ideas, whatever getting ideas. But I got purple here. I got purple. I'm gonna wipe off. But your girl got purple here. So this is basically the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how you guys like my hair. I can see you guys another time. I can see you guys another time.